Hey there beautiful guys, welcome back again. This tutorial you will learn change lock screen app shortcut on your Samsung phone. So let's jump right in. First of all, open settings. Once you are in the settings your Samsung phone, scroll down slowly, go to wallpaper and style option. After that you can find your current lock screen wallpaper there. Simply tap on it and wait to open the page. After the page is open, look for the bottom menu bar. Here you can see the currently added app shortcut there. Simply if you change any app there, tap on the app icon. After the pop-up page is open, scroll through the list and select the app if you want to add it. For example, I am added this calculator app. Simply tap on it and right now this icon is replaced. You can also set the second app icon if you like. Simply at the same process, tap on the app icon, then scroll through the page and choose the other app. For example, Snapchat. After all of is done, confirm by tapping the done button at the very top. And you have successfully done. To check it work, simply lock your phone, then you can see the pop-up app there. Thanks for watching. Goodbye everyone.